Alright guys, what we're going to be talking about in this video is more text stuff, but it's not going to be related to the font at all. So what we're going to be discussing is how links look, or how we want them to look rather, and we're going to make them incredibly messed up, but we will get to that. So I'm going to be applying the following styles to all A elements, just for simplicity. You guys can apply them to one or the other of the classes you have made, or you can put them in body by using body space A as the target. You guys can do whatever you want. You guys can. You don't even have to follow along if you don't want. If you just want to watch this, then that's cool with me. So what I'm going to do is the default state of a link in HTML is underlined. You'll see that underline right there. But let's say we don't want that to happen. What we're going to be doing is setting a property called text decoration, and we're going to be setting the value to none. So I'm going to end that with a semicolon, save this, and then refresh, and you'll see that it's removed the underline. And the reason why it did is because the text decoration by default, as set by the browser, which is the lowest possible priority. You can override anything that the browser automatically sets. Usually, I mean, I can't think off the top of my head any time that wouldn't be relevant or wouldn't be possible. But yeah, so we've just set the text decoration to none, but if we wanted to underline the text, we would say underline. Save it, refresh, and now it looks like that. This is the default style that's applied to all A elements. Now I can also say no dash underline and save it, and that doesn't do anything. That just appeared there. You can see here the valid values are overline, underline, none, obviously, line through, and blink. You can also set them to inherit, initial, default, and unset, and we're going to be talking about those values later. Those values are, they can apply to any element that we're ever going to write. So we'll discuss those a bit later. Right now we're going to be talking about text decoration a bit more. So let's go ahead and put a line through the link and refresh, and there you'll see the underline kind of moved up and became a middle line, not an underline. You can set overline as well. Save this and refresh, and now we've got an overline to make links look a little bit different. Another thing we can do is set it to blink. Those are all the valid properties for these links, and blink does not do anything. However, it is there. So now you can actually apply multiple properties or multiple values to this text decoration property, and you do that by just separating each valid value by a space. So if I say underline, line through, and overline, and save this, that's the last video I did, ignore that. Save this and then refresh, you're going to see it looks really messed up. And that's what I was talking about. We're going to make these links really messed up. So that is the text decoration property. And we're going to be covering text more in the next video as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.